Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is WHO appoints new chief scientist. The World Health Organization said on Tuesday that Jeremy Farrar will become its new chief scientist, replacing Soumya Swaminathan. Currently director of the Wellcome Trust, Dr. Farrar will join WHO in the second quarter of 2023. Dr. Amelia Latu will become WHO's chief nursing officer. She previously served as Minister of Health for the Kingdom of Tonga. Now, information about WHO. WHO was founded in 1948. It is the United Nations agency that connects nations, partners, and people to promote health, keep the world safe, and serve the vulnerable. WHO leads global efforts to expand universal health coverage. Currently, it has 194 member countries. India became a party to the WHO Constitution on 12th January 1948. Now, information about Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, a pediatrician from India and a globally recognized researcher on tuberculosis and HIV. She has 30 years of experience in clinical care and research. Previously, she was Secretary to the Government of India for Health Research and Director General of the ICMR from 2015 to 2017. She was appointed as WHO's first chief scientist in March 2019.